Hi everybody, my name is Roland and today I want to show you how to start a new seaBreeze application. As you see, we are in the Seaside Dispatch Viewer and we start the seaBreeze wizard. The wizard allows us to enter an application name, so we start with just test app, that's enough. And we describe the app like it's some test, that's okay. As you see, we have a proposal for an application class name and for a namespace and a package name. And then there is an interesting pop-up down here, which allows us to choose from a list of website layouts. The default is of course the empty page, and then we have provided 4 other layouts. So right now I'm going to choose this one and create the application. Right after that, you see we are in the seaBreeze editor and we have got our web page over here, and you see there is the header up here, the middle column with a header and a base text, the left column with some anchors over here, and a right column with some text. And of course, not to forget it, the footer area down here. So that was quite easy to start this application. So now I'm going to add some CSS support for this application. In order to associate a CSS class with the middle column, we first have to configure the middle column just slightly. We add the CSS class here. And now we can go over to our application and see how we can edit the CSS file for the application. I already prepared a selector in my file library. This is the test app CSS, and I configured the file library to include this selector when the application is served. So for now you see that we have a class definition here, and I just commented the definition here. So let's see what we can do here with this CSS class definition. That was all we did on the VisualWorks site. We go back to our application in the browser, and we see the layout was immediately applied in the editor. Now, to give you an impression of what you can do with the seaBreeze editors, I will now change the local style for this text area here. It's much too big and I don't like it. So I will change the size to 12 points. So I only changed the text style locally for this text, while the class definition remains for the rest of the layout information of that column. And I could continue to do that for the other columns too. So we can save the application and run it. So that was all for now. Please visit our website seabreeze.hig.de. Goodbye.